2021 was an excellent year for Bitcoin cryptocurrency in terms of adoption and price action, but we think 2022 could have an even greater impact. This video will tell you the 5 most important predictions for Bitcoin in 2022. If this sounds interesting, keep watching. Before moving ahead, welcome to Upstep Financial, the best YouTube channel about finance. Please share and like this video and subscribe to our channel for riveting takes on digital currencies. Now, let's get started on our topic. 2021 was one of the craziest years for cryptocurrency. While the price of digital tokens has been steadily rising, Bitcoin has seen a spectacular leap. While predicting the rise and fall of crypto assets, including Bitcoin, for 2022 and the long-term future is challenging, growing interest in the crypto field will undoubtedly yield a few profitable years. Because all the currencies are relatively new, a statistical analysis of incoming highs and lows has yet to be completed. It is commonly believed that as a currency grows older, they become more stable. While passion for Bitcoin crypto continues to thrive, there are loopholes in the system regarding regulations, instability, and the fact that the entire crypto space is young. This causes deep-seated fears, making it difficult for the average person to invest in the market. Furthermore, it is commonly seen that low-income individuals avoid investing in the stock market because the risks of loss are high. But due to some expert information, we can think about whether we should invest in Bitcoin or not. So, let's dive into 5 Bitcoin predictions from experts. Number 1. Bitcoin will hit $100,000. Steve Ehrlich, CEO of Voyager Digital, told media that he believes the ups would balance the downs this coming year. Bitcoin, in his opinion, is the face of the crypto world, and he believes it will eventually surpass $100,000. Although many experts aren't ready to be pinned down to a time box, there are many positive Bitcoin price predictions. For example, famous Bitcoin bull Michael Saylor of MicroStrategy predicts BTC will eventually reach $6 million, but he didn't say when. According to Bloomberg, Kraken CEO Jesse Powell advises customers to think of Bitcoin as a 5-year investment. But, he said, it fluctuates from day to day and week to week. You don't want to trade something in a short time frame, so don't do it. It's more of a buy and hold investment. And, as is often the case with crypto, others believe a price crash is imminent. One finance professor at Sussex University told CNBC that the granddaddy of cryptos could sink as low as $10,000 next year. She says crypto is more of a toy than an investment. She's not the only one warning investors that Bitcoin's price could fall to zero. In a recent guest post for the Financial Times, Robert McCulley wrote that Bitcoin is worse than a Ponzi scheme, in part because of its environmental impact. McCulley is a non-resident senior fellow at Boston University's Global Development Policy Center. Number 2. Bitcoin will lose market dominance. In 2021, one trend that emerged was that the crypto industry extended beyond Bitcoin. Bitcoin accounted for 70% of the overall market capitalization at the start of 2021. However, according to CoinMarketCap data, that figure is now closer to 40%. This is partly due to the thousands of new coins that have been created, but it is mainly due to the expansion of smart contract platforms such as Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana. As a result, these platforms are being used for an increasing number of projects, giving them a larger market share. Diogo Monica, president and co-founder of Anchorage Digital, told MarketWatch, "It is no longer just speculative trading in Bitcoin or Ethereum. We're talking about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, DeFi, decentralized finance, remittances, capital preservation, and many more verticals." From the expanding NFT industry to the rise of DeFi and metaverses, crypto has many moving parts. For this evolving business, Bitcoin may act as digital gold. However, it may be replaced with newer, faster coins. According to Bitcoin maximalists like Jack Dorsey, most other cryptos go against the essence of the original digital money. He favors Bitcoin over all other coins, claiming that the first cryptocurrency could one day become the internet's native currency. Hang on, folks. I hope you're enjoying this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe to the channel Upstep Financial to watch more interesting videos in the future. Number 3. increased regulation is coming. Only a few people argue that additional regulation is not inevitable, but there is some disagreement on whether this is a good idea. Many industry players believe that clearer regulation will help boost investor confidence. Some, including billionaire investor Mark Cuban, think that regulation is required, particularly in the case of stablecoins. And Charlie Munger, Berkshire Hathaway's vice chairman and the guy who declared Bitcoin disgusting and against the interests of civilization, pushes for even more drastic measures. He recently stated that China was right in banning the coin. They are right in stepping out, tapping hard on the booms, and not allowing them to travel too far. We are inferior to China to the extent that my country does not do so. Number 4. More than ever, people will adopt Bitcoin. The founder of the Digital Assets Council of Financial Professionals, Rick Edelman, has made various predictions for the year 2022. One prediction was that by the end of the year, more than 500 million people worldwide would hold Bitcoin. He's not alone. According to Cointelegraph, BlockFi co-founder Flory Marquez believes that higher adoption will be driven by legislative certainty and a better understanding of the business. More countries may follow El Salvador's trend and accept Bitcoin as legal tender. In addition, many people, including Narvik co-founder Abhimanyu Kumar, believe that the growth of blockchain gaming would encourage more people to invest in cryptocurrency. Because of the nature of the media, it will lead the adoption curve. It's entertaining and enjoyable. It makes crypto easy to grasp, he told Blockworks. However, outspoken Bitcoin critic and CEO of Euro-Pacific Capital, Peter Schiff, said that rising investor interest is partly due to the volume of news coverage. He tweeted, CNBC is reporting on the widespread spike in investor interest in Bitcoin in 2021, without mentioning its own contribution to fueling that interest. On CNBC, there was non-stop bullish coverage, frequent guest pumping, and an aggressive Bitcoin advertising push. Number 5. Bitcoin as a worthwhile investment for 2022. Anthony Pompliano has made a name for himself in the cryptocurrency world. He is the founder of Morgan Creek Digital, a hedge fund specializing in blockchain technology. Without a doubt, Anthony has enough experience to predict the future price of Bitcoin. In a heated interview with Peter Schiff, Anthony said, I think that Bitcoin will hit $100,000 by the start of 2022. And he believes that is probably because of the supply and demand of Bitcoin. The debate was based around gold and Bitcoin, but Anthony believes that Bitcoin is a worthwhile investment compared to gold. And sure enough, Pompliano tried to defend his theory to Schiff, who was very fixated on gold price. Nevertheless, this debate is worth listening to since it will give you an insight into the future of gold and Bitcoin in the eyes of two different enthusiasts. Even still, there are a lot of unknowns. Whether you feel Bitcoin is on the verge of a new breakout or is about to crash, one thing is certain: cryptocurrency is still a contentious topic. If you're thinking about buying Bitcoin, do your homework and learn about the risks. We don't know what effect additional regulation will have or what form that regulation will take, and other technologies might yet take the wind out of Bitcoin sales. Don't spend more than you can afford to lose by buying from a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. That way, the chances of getting badly burned if something goes wrong are lessened. Buy and sell cryptocurrencies on an expert-picked exchange. There are hundreds of platforms worldwide that are waiting to give you access to thousands of cryptocurrencies. And to find the one that's right for you, you will need to decide what features matter most to you. To help you get started, experts have sifted through the options to bring you some of our best cryptocurrency exchanges for 2022. As the cryptocurrency industry grows, it will continue to shift in ways we can't yet imagine. But one thing is clear: crypto will be a part of our future. So, you've checked out our list, and now you can get started on your own crypto journey. So, what do you think about Bitcoin? Do you think it'll be a good idea to invest in 2022? Share your opinion in the comments below. Alright guys, we're wrapping up today's video and we hope you learned something. Thanks for checking out our channel. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Upstep Financial. See you next time. Bye!